Hello, dear viewers and students. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, today we will learn about science and its main branches. Science, it is taken from Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. Means we can define science as the knowledge which is obtained with the help of observations, experiments, and by complete measurement is known as science. Science is an organized knowledge. There are main two branches of science: biological science and physical science. Biological science, the study about living things, is known as biological science. Its main branches are zoology, botany, genetics, microbiology, etc. The second one is physical science. The study about non-living things is known as physical science. Its main branches are physics, chemistry, mathematics, astronomy, geology, etc. So, dear viewers and students, that was about science. Thank you.